Your Excellency, Muhammadu Buhari, President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Chairman, Senate Committee on Health, Prince Lanre Tejuosho, members of the Federal Executive Council, ably led by the boss of the bosses, Boss Mustapha, Honorable Minister of Federal Capital, Territory and Administration, Honorable Minister of State for Health, the Executive Director of UNAIDS, who is also serving as UN Under Secretary General, Michel Sidibe, Permanent Secretary, Federal Ministry of Health, Chair of the Board of NACA, Director General NACA, Directors of federal government agencies, the chargé d'affaires, members of the diplomatic corps, members of security agencies, our friends and partners, particularly the United States Center for Disease Control, WHO, UNICEF, UNAIDS, people living with HIV/AIDS, our friends, our partners in the fight against HIV and AIDS, members of the media, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is my singular honor and pleasure on behalf of the family of the health sector to formally welcome Mr. President at his first appearance at the health event after his re-election as President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Congratulations, Mr. President. We are at the next level. Mr. President, permit me to express my sincere appreciation to all the public and private sector organizations that supported this survey. In the same vein, let me also thank all Nigerians for their cooperation during the survey. NICE, Your Excellency, is the outcome of partnership. Partnership through painstaking planning, implementation, and analysis of the result. I want to use this opportunity to pay tribute to those who died or suffered one injury or the other during the process of the survey. Mr. President, the first case of AIDS in Nigeria was reported in 1986. Since then, the epidemic has grown steadily from 1.8% in 1991 to 3.8% in 1993, 4.5% in 1995, and 5.8% in 2001. Thereafter, the prevalence began a gradual reduction to 5% in 2003, 4.4% in 2005, 4.6% in 2008, 4.1% in 2010, and 3% in 2014. Going by that data, Your Excellency, we have about 3 million people living with HIV/AIDS. As stated by the DG of NACA, we have succeeded in putting about 1.1 million people on treatment. That leaves us with a gap of about 1.9 million people. However, in the course of performing public surveys and testing, we have been able to document the expected number of cases on the field, and that created some uncertainty about the actual number of people infected with HIV in Nigeria. And this has led to the demand for the NICE. Mr. President, HIV and AIDS represents a significant public health crisis that is being confronted in the world today, particularly in the African continent. The disease is further complicated by socio-economic and cultural factors, as well as a weak health system. To this end, the defeat requires a high level of political commitment, vision and leadership, quality epidemiologic data, and strategic interventions. The Nigerian NICE study was conducted in a record time when compared with studies in other settings. We conducted a survey of over 200,000 respondents using over 3,000 people in all the geographical zones of the country. The survey represents a cross-sectional population-based survey to assess key indicators. We went beyond HIV, Your Excellency. We also conducted an analysis of the prevalence of hepatitis B and C, and also measured HIV-related risk behaviors using a nationally representative sample. The planning and implementation of the survey was guided by the National Steering Committee, which I chair with the DG of NACA. The committee provided continuous guidance to the investigators throughout the course of the survey. And the survey was conducted using protocol approved by the National Health Research Ethics Committee. I'm happy to inform Mr. President and fellow Nigerians that going forward, the results of this survey will guide and inform government policies, strategies, programs on HIV/AIDS, hepatitis B and C in our bid to achieve UNA's 90-90-90 target. It gives me great joy, Mr. President, to inform you that the HIV epidemic in Nigeria has contracted. It is important to note that though there is a reduction in prevalence, the total number of people affected by the disease is still huge based on our population. We are confident that with excellent initiatives approved by Your Excellency, like the Saving 1 Million Lives initiative, the Basic Care Provision Fund, we will be able to cushion the effect of the disease through the provision of free antenatal care, PMTCT to pregnant women, in addition to other services. Let me especially thank His Excellency, President Muhammadu Buhari, for supporting these great initiatives, which will continually provide increased access to health care in the days ahead. Finally, as I thank Mr. President for his interest and support for the survey, I promise that the findings of the survey will be used to improve health care planning and coordination of the HIV/AIDS control activities in the country. I also want to single out the US government for providing $70 million for this survey, and Global Fund, the fight against AIDS, tuberculosis, and malaria, $20 million for the survey. Supporting the Ministry and NACA include other stakeholders, the National Bureau of Statistics, National Population Commission, National Primary Care Development Agency, Nigerian Center for Disease, US CDC, USAID, DOD, UMB, AFINET, and other organizations, and all other key stakeholders. I'm employing all of them to study the findings after release by His Excellency and use them for effective and efficient planning at the national and subnational levels. I want to assure you that with the current effort and commitment of Mr. President and the government of Nigeria, the battle against HIV is almost won. I thank you all for your presence, and I say God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.